Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we break down the best tools in the beauty industry and tell you exactly why they belong in your kit. Today, we're talking about the best Prophy Paste Holder that's taken over lash salons and makeup stations alike. The G2PLUS glue rings for eyelash extensions. Let's start with the basics. These are not your average disposable rings. They're crafted from high-quality plastic and come in a soft, baby pink shade that not only adds a touch of style but makes them stand out on your workstation. Each pack contains 100 rings, which means you're set for dozens of clients without needing to reorder too soon. The standout feature of these glue rings is their single-slot deep cup design. This helps you minimize glue waste significantly while giving you a convenient reservoir for your lash adhesive, tattoo pigment, or even nail polish. Whether you're working with precision lash fans or adding intricate tattoo details, these rings hold your materials steadily, reducing mess and improving workflow. Comfort is a big deal when it comes to tools you wear while working, and the G2PLUS rings check that box too. Each ring is designed to be flexible and fits most finger sizes comfortably. They have an adjustable round base that expands slightly without putting pressure on your finger, which is a huge plus for professionals who work long sessions and need steady hands. Now let's talk usability. One of the biggest time wasters in the beauty world is cleanup. With these being fully disposable, you can skip the scrubbing and sanitizing, just use it and toss it. It speeds up your appointments and helps keep your space hygienic, which is critical whether you're working in a salon or offering mobile services. And versatility? These glue rings are not just for lash techs. Nail artists use them for gel polish, tattoo artists use them for pigment, and even makeup artists find them helpful when working with tiny amounts of liquid products. If you're in the beauty industry, these rings adapt to your workflow seamlessly. They're also lightweight, just over 2 ounces for the whole box, and the packaging is compact enough to throw in your kit without taking up valuable space. Whether you're headed to a client's home, working backstage at a fashion show, or in your studio, they're a no-fuss, efficient solution. So who is this for? If you're a lash artist, nail tech, tattoo artist, or makeup pro who's tired of tipping over glue bottles or dealing with messy palettes, this product is for you. The G2PLUS glue rings give you convenience, cleanliness, and control, 3 things every professional needs. To sum it up, this is more than just a glue holder. It's a small, affordable upgrade that will make a big difference in your beauty routine. From reducing product waste to streamlining your setup, it's no wonder it's become a staple in so many professional kits. What are you waiting for? Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss our next deep dive into the best tools in the beauty world. See you next time.